In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 store error code 0x80072F30. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead to the search menu, type in services. After that, just click on open. So now that you have done that, just wait for services to open up for you. As you can see, click on any service, then hit W. After that, just go ahead and search for the Windows firewall, which I don't have. So if you have it, just go ahead, right-click on it or double-click on it, as you can see. So just double-click on it. And after that, just set this to automatic. Click Apply and then click OK. And you should be all good to go. So after that, the second thing you need to do is to go ahead to your search menu and then type in region and time. So after you have done that, just click on Open. And from here, you should change the region and time to the correct time in the place you are in. Give it a moment to open up. Then go ahead, scroll down, and until you find date and time, then make sure everything is set correctly, as you can see for your place. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.